One thing that you can do to make your UV maps better is to make a cut right here, and then you UV unwrap it again. You can also use UV squares add-on in order to make it perfectly square. It usually helps, and it's a pretty useful and free add-on as well. So I'm just going to observe if everything is on its... As for the other parts, like this right here is not correctly unwrapped, and these parts right here, and also the upper parts, it's way easier to correct this, because all we have to do if we observe the reference, all of these parts right here, this inner parts and this part right here, are solid colors. So all we have to do is go to our model, select everything, and see where these parts are. They are right here, for example. I'm going to just select these parts, for example, this, and I'm just going to grab these islands here, scale them down way over, and then just put somewhere where the solid color prevails. We have everything working as it should. And the same goes for the upper parts as well. So L, 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 grab them, scale them down, and put somewhere where it's a solid color. Make sure that you guys don't overuse the grab function, because it can get a little more distorted than we would like it to be. So things like these, you know. So usually to correct this, I usually unwrap it again and start over. I'm going to create here a new normal UV map. So here on the object data properties, we have the UV maps menu, and I'm going to create a new one, and I'm going to select it, and I'm going to unwrap it all over again. We have this map right here, and on the shading tab, all we need to do is go over here and select by the way, dog food is pretty tasty. Fat salt. Oh my god, dude. I guess all that there is to do now it's rendering. So usually for product renders, in order for a more realistic lighting setup, I usually go for HDRIs. This website right here offers HDRIs for free. HDRI Haven, it's not a slash, it's what is the name of this character again?
Of what? Which character? Monkey?
This, no, not character. It's
dash.
Hyphen.
That's the one. I'm so stupid.
No, you good, bro. You good.
So usually I go for studio like images, so that we can have a little more controlled environment. So just in order for us to test, we go to the shading tab, and right here on this part we go to world, the shader type, hit A, and go for a environment texture. It's not an image texture, okay? It's an environment texture, otherwise it will not work. So I'm going to open an HDRI on my computer. Yes, this one should be fine. Ctrl T, and then we also have some things going on right here. We already have our environment texture working on the lighting of the scene. However, when I render this image, and I'm going to position my camera so that it's this. When I'm going to render my image, I don't want this background to show on my render. I just need the lighting to affect this object right here, but I don't want the background. How do I set this up? Simple. Go to the shading tab, and when you're in the world shader type, I'm going to add this light path node right here. I'm going to add a mix shader node, add it right here. I'm going to duplicate this background node right here. I'm going to plug it in like so, and I'm going to just plug this is camera ray right here on the factor of the mix shader. And if we go to the rendered image, the lighting, the environment texture, it still affects the lighting. However, it doesn't show up on the back.